If you're looking to use SEO to bring organic traffic to your course page, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, in under 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to optimize your course page for SEO so it ranks higher on search engines and attracts more visitors. Stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in this video to help you get started. First things first, SEO for your course page starts with understanding what your potential customers are searching for. You want to do keyword research to find out what terms people are using to look for courses like yours. For this, you can use a keyword research tool like the one I'll show you shortly. Look for low competition, high volume keywords related to your course topic. For example, if you're teaching SEO, you might want to target keywords like SEO for beginners or learn SEO fast. Don't go for highly competitive keywords right away. Start with long tail keywords. Next, once you've chosen the right keywords, it's time to optimize your course page. Start by adding your main keyword to the title of your page. The title is one of the most important on-page SEO factors, so make sure it clearly describes what your course is about. If you can, try to include the keyword near the beginning of the title. For example, Learn SEO for Beginners. Step-by-step guide works better than step-by-step guide to learn SEO for beginners in terms of SEO. Now let's move on to your course description. This is where you'll provide a brief but compelling summary of what your course covers. And yes, include your targeted keywords naturally in this section too. You don't want to stuff the keywords, but make sure they're there in a way that reads naturally to humans. Google's ranking algorithm looks at how relevant your content is, so make sure your course description is detailed and helpful. Another critical factor is using headings on your course page. Use proper header tags H1, H2, H3 to break up your content. These headers not only make your page easier to read, but also tell search engines what your page is about. Include relevant keywords in these headings, but again, make sure it reads naturally. For example, if your course covers multiple modules, each module heading can include variations of your main keyword, like SEO Basics module, or Advanced SEO Strategies. Images and videos can also help your SEO, but they need to be optimized. Use alt text for images with your targeted keywords, and don't forget about video SEO. If you have any videos embedded on your course page, make sure they're titled with keywords and have a good description that includes your keywords. A great way to get more organic traffic to your course page is through backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your course page. They signal to Google that your page is credible and valuable. To get backlinks, you can guest post on blogs in your industry, get featured in podcasts, or collaborate with other course creators. The more high-quality backlinks you get, the better your page will rank. Lastly, don't forget about mobile optimization. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites, so make sure your course page is responsive and looks great on all devices. A good user experience will not only help with SEO, but also keep your visitors engaged. Remember, SEO is a long-term game. It takes time to see results, so be patient. Key takeaway. The most important thing to remember is that using SEO to bring organic traffic to your course page requires a mix of keyword research, on-page optimization, backlinks, and user experience. Make sure your course title, description, headings, and content all include the right keywords. Also remember that patience is key. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software we used in this video, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so take advantage of that and start optimizing your course page today. Thanks for watching.